December is one of those months where market data can feel more confusing than helpful if you don't slow it down a bit. Some of the month-to-month numbers do look softer than November, and that's usually where concern creeps in. But December almost always behaves differently because of timing, seasonality, and who's active in the market. What's more important is what hasn't changed. Year over year, prices are still higher, closed sales are up, and the overall pattern of the market looks very similar to past years. That tells us this isn't a sudden shift, it's a familiar seasonal pause. There is one forward-looking signal that does deserve attention as we move into early 2026, and that's pending sales. On its own, it's not a problem. What matters is whether this turns out to be a short-term blip or the beginning of a sustained trend, and that's something only time will tell. The key takeaway is perspective. This looks like a market catching its breath, not losing its footing. Full details are in this week's MarketPulse weekly blog. You'll find the link below. Thanks for tuning in and see you next week.